I just got done installing some new knobby tires on my Velomobile. And what I've done is I've raised the body. But as you can see, I got the nice knobby tires here. It's nothing fancy, it's just something that I got at Walmart. It's a Bell tire. If you look under here, I got some little foothold covers in here that I'm about to go take her out in the snow. It's snowing pretty good out there right now, but got plenty of ground clearance, and this should be a really nice bike for riding in inclement weather like that. I actually have a plexiglass top I can put on there if it's really cold, but it's sort of tinted. It doesn't work really good at night. It's hard to see, and it doesn't work really good when it's raining. So I have this particular Flavo top that I like to use, and I also have a foam cockpit cover here, which I probably won't use today, but it's not cold enough. It's only about, what's the temperature today? 27 degrees out, so it's not too bad. It's just snowing. All right, here goes nothing. Let's see what happens here. Well, we're pulling. I'm gonna shift on into my low range here. My mirror's adjusted here a little bit. Probably should put my glasses on. Oh boy. We're sliding pretty good here. There's some ruts here from the cars. Well, I'm going. I don't know how fast I'm going. I think we're gonna need spikes. I think mountain bike tires alone is not enough. They probably think I'm crazy. All right. Oh boy. Actually a little deeper than I thought. Probably doing a whopping 4 miles per hour here, but let's see what we can do. I think it might be faster to cross-country ski than bike. View from inside the cockpit looks like this. Whew. It's pretty deep snow here. Kind of a slow go. Not exactly setting any records. You get from point A to point B. I think it's time for spikes, but it is fun. I got the whole road to myself out here. There's nobody out here. Beautiful winter wonderland.
Okay, those are some really strong legs to get through this.
I think I need some skis.
No kidding. He just told me, he's like, you've never seen him come around the neighborhood? I'm like, no. But now that I'm seeing him, he's going through snow with it? That's insane.
Yeah, I think I need some like spikes on the tires.
Right, no kidding. Be safe out there.
Yeah, I'm just riding around testing it out, see if I can get through.
Yeah, well,
It's going, but it's a slow go.
well, you're doing a pretty good job. Your quads are going to be hurting tomorrow.
Well, I might be dragging the bottom with the snow. I might be plowing the snow. I'm not sure if it's dragging or not.
You're dragging a bit on the corner. Hey, well, we appreciate you taking any part of the snow away.
Yes, have a good night.
All right, you too.
Oh, we're stuck. All right. right. All right. Added a little bit of front wheel drive action to that. Probably got a little bit of a plowed road here. Got enough momentum to make this deep stuff here. Basically what I learned about riding a Velomobile in the snow. I got probably seen like about 4 inches out there, maybe 5 on the roads. I'm not sure if I'm pushing snow with the bottom of this thing, if I need to take some stuff off from the bottom, maybe my foothold covers, but then I might get some snow piling up inside. I'm not sure if I was just plowing, but anyway, it was definitely a lot of fun. It was definitely a good workout.